So in the previous video, we talk about in LaTeX how to change color. So we talk about use X colors, and when I said color or text color, and said I'm a boy, I said I blue, then it will give you the blue color. If I say I want to be red, okay, and then you give you the red, okay. Uh, if I then if I change it to green, then you give me the green color. Very convenient if you have standard color, and then you see still here. Um, but sometimes you want to be more give you a more different color. Say you mixing two color, then we use color let and give the name, and you combine two color. So here is 40% of blue and complete black, okay, and they combine together, okay. Then I call it my blue. So when I see in this line, my blue will much darker than the blue one, okay. If I change to white, okay, then it will become more soft color. Say now you can see this one become more soft color. So another, sometimes you don't want to combine two color, but you want to do standard the RGB. So you call define color, and you give the name. I have RGB here. Uh, stand with small letter RGB. Then either you have 100% is 100% red, 20% green, and 0% blue. Give you this red color. So suppose I give a little bit more blue. Say you will see the color change a little bit, but you don't see too much. But let's say increase a little bit more, then you become a little bit different, right? You can see the difference. Now, the not last one is the capital letter RGB. It will be the standard uh, RGB from uh, uh, 0 to 255. So instead of 0 to 1 is 0 to 255. So it's a very standard way to record the color in 60 bits color. So you can see the green is like this one. Okay, so now you know how to change color you want. Either you mix two color by let color let, or you can define color by using numbers or using uh, 0 to 1 or 0 to 255. And this color you can easily check internet to find out the color you want. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.